Hey guys, welcome back again to the channel. So a really short video for today with a very good news in it, as you can see from the thumbnail and the title of the video. Basically KuCoin, which is a crypto exchange for all the people that don't know, has an offer for us to buy crypto with our credit or debit card, Visa or MasterCard. We can buy with 0 fees for a month. Basically, this is the official announcement that they have done on 8th of April, and basically from 8th of April till May 7 we have the possibility to go to this exchange and use our credit card. Here it says the activity applies to credit card, Poly, Ideal and SEPA faster payment methods. The transaction fees rate will be adjusted back after the activity ends. So basically for this period till 7th of May we are going to be able to buy crypto, Bitcoin and Ethereum in this case by using Banksa, not Simplex, because if we go to our account, go to buy crypto, it will take us to the place where we buy crypto. You don't use Simplex because the offer is with Banksa or Banksa, but I don't know how to pronounce it, sorry, but basically you just click on Banksa and you can buy Bitcoin or Ethereum. As I told you, you can buy with euro and all these other currencies, US dollar, Canadian US dollars, British pound and so on, and the fees are going to be 0 till 7th of May. So basically if you own a credit or debit card, or if you have a SEPA account, that would be even better, because with SEPA account you can use even larger amounts of money, because we know that credit cards and debit cards may be limited. So you can profit from this period of time with KuCoin and buy some crypto coins with 0 fees. So this is very good news to hear, and again this is the official news from the KuCoin. And yeah, for all the people that maybe they don't know about KuCoin, you have other videos on my channel which you can find, but basically it's a very good crypto exchange, and it is for me it has worked very nice. You can obviously trade, you can stake, you can do soft staking, you can do lending. You get rewards by just holding crypto into this crypto exchange, like most of the other crypto exchanges are doing right now, like Binance, like CEX and so on. So you get all the good stuff into this crypto exchange, and basically obviously they also have a good liquidity in their markets. So now you can even buy crypto with 0 fees for a month. So this is a very nice opportunity to get into the crypto world. And if you happen and you don't have an account with KuCoin and you want to create one, you can use my referral link that you find on the video description. So you will give me a little bit of boost, of a little bit of help, although it may be very small, but it's something for me anyway. So I will very much appreciate that. So in this way, if you register with my referral link, we can help each other out, let's call it this way. So yeah, that was it for today. Go ahead, if you want to buy crypto, you have time till 7th of May, or about 1 month time. You can use your credit card or SEPA account or Ideal. I don't know what is this kind of payment, but SEPA, if you live in the European Union economic area, you can use this kind of payment through your bank. Or if you live anywhere into the world, you can use credit card or debit card. But with credit and debit card, it depends. For Visa and Master credit card, I know for sure that they will work almost in any country. But if you use a debit card, some of them might not work. But I'm pretty sure that if it doesn't work, you can fix this by calling your bank or calling your institution that has issued your debit card, and check with them why the transaction can't be done. But I'm pretty sure that more than 90% of the debit card will work, and all the credit card, Visa and MasterCard, will work for sure, because yeah, with credit cards you can buy almost anywhere these days. Obviously the fees are going to be high, but now here's the opportunity with 0 fees for a month. So So go ahead, buy your crypto, your preferred crypto, if you want to buy with 0 fees. And don't worry if you don't have other cryptos, because obviously you can buy Bitcoin, and then with Bitcoin you can go and trade and buy your preferred other crypto coins that you want to own. So basically this means that you can buy any crypto with 0 fees. So yeah, go ahead, take advantage of this one if you want to buy crypto, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, because it will help me very much and help my channel grow. And also like and share my videos, invite your friends to join us, to subscribe, and yeah, try to have some fun, and why not have the opportunity to get some money together through this information videos and through the crypto world. Okay, then that was it for today. Thanks very much for watching, guys. As always, again, don't forget to subscribe, like and share my videos, and as always, catch you on the next one. Bye bye.